Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says this app has been blocked by your system administrator. So how you can fix this, let's get started. First, get over to your desktop and then press Windows button and search for regedit. Open registry editor, click yes, and then here you'll find this. Just click on view and make sure the address bar is checked. Now in the address bar you have to delete everything. You have to type this whole code: computer, HKey, local machine, software, Microsoft, policies, system. Once you type in this and hit enter, you'll find this enable LUA file. Just double click on this and then you will see this would be set to 1. You have to just remove this and set it to 0. Now just restart your PC and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.